Hello, welcome back to Glad Makeover TV. How are you all doing? Hope you all are doing well. In this very video, I just want to show you how I make this quick Gele hair tie. Very short video, and if you watch very well, you will understand it. Very simple. This is the hairstyle you can just make while you are going to church on Sunday. Very simple hair tie. Please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. Please share. Help me to share, subscribe to my channel and share. Thank you very much. See, this once you place your hair tie on your head, just for you to twist it. Once you twist it, the next thing you do, you tight it. Make sure it tight very well. But before this time, make sure you are with your pin. With a pin, everything will be very easy. Because without pin, there's no way you can make it tight. So what I'm about to do in this very place, I just want to twist it. See, if you twist it from the front, you did not get it. I just do it two different ways so that you people will understand. Who don't understand it, the other type will understand it this way. So now I have twisted it. I want to use the short one to cross it. I just cross it now. I'm using my pin. So I just take my pin to pin it at the back. Then I will arrange the front. So it's very easy to tie while you are going to church in the morning. Just even to any party. Thank you very much. God bless you. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe again. If you have not subscribed, subscribe to my YouTube channel. God bless you. If you like the video, thumbs up for your girl. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye. Relax your back and watch the video. Thank you very much.
Find the real me. So let's go, seize the feeling. Cause you know, it's time for the meaning. Now we show, we're coming to win it. It's me.